let's take a look at the MachMotion Knee Mill Retrofit Kit. Got a couple boxes here we're going to open up, and then we'll set up the control out here on the table and run some motion to show you how quick and easy we can give motion. So in this box, we have our wireless pendant and our control HMI. Alright, I've got all the plastic unwrapped, taken all the components out of their boxes and set them up here. So now, we'll go over them really quick. We've got our 2000 series HMI. We've got some cables that we're going to use to connect the HMI to our electrical panel for power and communication purposes. We have our 3 servo motors, our 3 servo motor mounting brackets, a braking resistor for our spindle, our main electrical enclosure, our wireless pendant, our servo motor cables, and our keyboard and mouse tray. I'm going to mount the tray to the HMI, connect all our wires and cables here, hook up our servos, and then we should be good to run motion. Alright, it's been about 30 minutes. I've made all our connections between our servo motors, servo drive, and our HMI. Everything's powered up and we're ready to run some motion. So I can start motion with our wireless pendant here. It looks like we have a successful setup. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any more questions about our control, you can visit us at MachMotion.com.